How to pursue your career in designing. With technological revolution, the demand for designers is increasing, and designers are playing a major role in various fields like interior designing, user interface designing, which increases usability of a product, fashion designing, graphic designing, product designing, and many more. So, let's discuss few designing careers you can pursue if you think that you have that flair of creativity and originality. First is UI UX designing. User interface, which is UI, focuses on visual touchpoints that allows users to interact with the digital product. User experience, which is UX, focuses on full experience from user's first contact to the last, and product can be physical or digital. You can pursue this course by BCA or BSc in Computer Science after class 12th or Information Design from NID. Second is graphic designing. Graphic designing is to create visually appealing designs using images and text for various brochures, logos, advertisements, websites, etc. For design courses at IITs, one must have science and maths in class 12th. Skills that one requires is Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and programming languages such as HTML, CSS, etc. You can pursue bachelor's in design or diploma in graphic design. The entrance exams which are pertaining to graphic designing are NID DAT for NID, All India Entrance Examination for Designing, which is AIEED, Undergraduate Common Entrance Examination for Design, which is UCEED, and other college specific exams. Third is accessories and jewelry designing. Jewelry designers plans right from fabric material to be used to the functionality of the accessories. They need to keep themselves updated with latest trends and changing consumer demands while designing the jewelry. They also need to update themselves with apparel industry so that they can design the jewelry as per the apparel trends. You can pursue BSc Fashion Designing or Bachelor's in Designing, Accessory Design, or Bachelor's of Designing in Jewelry Retail and Export Management, or Diploma in Fashion Designing or Diploma in Jewelry Designing. The entrance exams are AIEED, NATA, NID, CEED, and other institute specific examinations. Fourth is interior designing. Interior designers help in planning out the layout in either commercial or residential buildings. They work closely with architects during the initial planning phase and help in planning in such a manner that area at hand is utilized in the best possible way. You can pursue Bachelor in Designing, Interior Design, or Diploma in Interior Designing. Entrance exams pertaining to interior designing are AIEED, SEED, NID, and other institute specific exams. Fifth is textile and apparel designing. Textile designing is a field which involves process of creating designs, selection of fabrics, yarns, fibers, and the program gives exposure to printing, sewing, and dyeing techniques. Textile designing is just not limited to fashion industry, but it also involves designing of carpets, towels, protective helmets, bulletproof jackets, and other cloth-related industries. You can pursue Bachelor of Design in Textile Designing or Diploma in Textile Design. Entrance exams pertaining to textile and apparel designing are NIFT, SOFT, AIEED, NID. We hope this article might have helped you to decide which particular career to choose. Thank you.